is so stupid. Okay. I'm gonna smell it. This is smelling all over the place. This is so dumb. Okay.
Is that enough?
That's enough.
Are you sure?
Stop. I'm being gracious with that much.
You have to stick it far back into your throat.
Who made that rule?
That's what you're supposed to do.
Bro.
Okay. Tell my mom I love her.